What's up, guys? Today I'm just going to do a quick video. I already started it, but as you can see, my garage, look at that's my Nova. It's just disrespectful. Mustang over here. There's a video coming up on this. Let me come on this other side really quick. The '06 Mustang. I put gears in it, and then I did a couple of videos on putting in a new axle, which was the Molly axle. Big issues with that, and I'm gonna have to do another video on that because I was gonna do an install video, but more issues, and quite disappointed with that alloy company, but we'll do another video on that. But this video is about doing a pegboard. So I got some free pegboard from a guy I met, and I just went over to Lowe's and I got some wood to frame out it. So it's going to be 4 feet high by 8 feet long. So you can see I already started the framing, but I figured let me do a quick video to show you the difference. I did get this for Christmas. That's a metal pegboard about 4 years ago, but as you can see, there's nothing on it because I am horrible about putting my tools back. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to mark everything and try to get a cleaner garage. I built this not too long ago. You see I got a gas tank for the Nova. I got exhaust over there for the Nova. My kids' stuff, obviously. Got a bunch of Fox body parts and things over there. It's just junk everywhere in here. So we're going to start to do a garage fix. So I'm going to pause and I'm going to frame it all out. I'll show you what the frame looks like. Then I will put the pegboard up and show you what that looks like. So let me pause, finish up the framing, and then I'll come back. All right, I got both sides up. And let me go ahead and put the top up, and then we'll see it the full frame. All right, so it is fully framed. I'm not sure if I'm going to need, because it is 2 pieces, so I'm not sure if I'm going to need a little space, another board right there in between. What's wrong? Why are you crying? Your hand is okay. Stop. You'll be all right. That's my son. Anyways, so fully framed. So let me go ahead and get the boards, and we'll put it up. You can obviously see where that plug is there. I'm going to have to cut around the plug. But I didn't want to put it on this side, and then I got my punching bag and bikes and all that stuff on that side, and then obviously I have all my junk on that side. So this is pretty much the best wall, so I'm just gonna have to cut a little space out for right there. But all right, so that is the full frame. Again, I don't know if I'm gonna need to put a centerpiece there for the split. Depends on how wobbly it feels in the middle. But let's go get one of the boards and we'll see what it looks like. All right. All right, so I got both the boards up. As you can see, the one on the left-hand side is fully tatted in. The one on the right is not fully tatted in. It's kind of just being actually held up only by one bolt right now at the bottom, because I need to mark and cut out the spot of that square that's right there. It's actually kind of tricky if you're doing this by yourself, which I am, because these things are kind of heavy and awkward to kind of put up. I actually used a drill bit, which I have over here. I used one of the drill bits, and I just drilled into here and let it hold, just as like a stud. So then I can kind of balance it and get it even, and then be able to tack it in. Otherwise, that I did put a little board in between here just so it doesn't flex in. Instead of putting a full board, that means I can use, up in the bottoms. I'm only going to be blocking a couple of holes. And I don't know if you can really see inside there, but I have a power source right here, so that's why the square is here. So I'm going to cut that all out and then tack it all together. And then I do have some hooks that are somewhere in this junky garage. But that is what we're looking at now. So let me see how I'm going to cut this board, and then we'll come back after it's all tacked in. All right, guys, so it is up. Actually, it looks pretty good, you know, for my first time ever trying to do something like this. I definitely got too long of nails. I ended up with 3.5-inch nails. So, you know, I'd probably go shorter, maybe 2.5-inch nails next time. But yeah, so that's 4 feet tall by 8 feet long. You know, like I said, these are used boards. You can obviously see the blemishes in them. They were sitting outside, but I got them for free. So I'm not gonna complain about that. I may paint it before, you know, just so it can look a little better. Just roll some paint on it. And the other thing is I didn't have a really good cutter, so this looks really crappy. So that looks horrible. Let me see if I can get a closer look. So that's horrible. I ended up scoring it with a X-Acto knife. So I scored it, and then this wouldn't fully cut it. So I took a hammer and a flathead and essentially chiseled around it until I could get it to rip off. So yeah, that's pretty ugly, but you know, it is what it is. I kind of wanted to get this done today. So lots of projects going on. Again, you know, it's channel is really just me trying to figure things out as I go. So that is my board. Pretty simple. This cost me about $6 worth. Actually, I still got some extra boards on the floor down there and 2 more boards. So I may end up doing another wall depending on how many tools and stuff I got. But so technically this was $1.14, the boards in the back that I framed it. So that's 3 boards used. So that's let's just round up with tax, $4 worth of board. And these boards here I got for free, but I'm figuring they're probably somewhere around about $10, $15. I don't know. So let's just overall say this whole thing would have cost maybe $40, you know, maybe 50. But yeah, so that's it there. So I just got to get some hooks. I do have hooks, but I want to figure out if I'm going to paint it and all of that. So maybe I'll do an update if I paint. But yeah, thanks for checking out my channel. Again, a lot of things coming up. I do have the rear end on the 06 Mustang that's going on. I do have some more parts and things on the Nova once I get all of this crap off of my car. That's the dog crate, stereo. It's just ridiculous. And then my other car is outside, the 86, but I am doing the GT40 upper and lower intake on that also. So again, I do appreciate the channel, or you watching my channel, I should say, and have a great day.